that how much time until normality returns? So let's try to answer this question. Pre-COVID normality never to return, right? And I'll tell you what I mean by this statement. All this means is that post-COVID world would be different. This statement has been made by lots of CEOs of big companies. All they have been saying throughout is post-COVID world will be different, because what happens is, let's say this was the pre-COVID world, and now suddenly something of the magnitude of COVID happened that would just stop all the physical interactions that were happening in this world. So obviously in the short term, lots of people tried exploring alternatives. All the alternatives were through technology, because technology is one thing which doesn't get impacted due to COVID. So this is the transition that is happening, and then we enter into a new world where obviously which is more tech enabled, in which lots of processes which were happening through physical interactions in this world, those are being eliminated. And once we appear this world, even if corona eradicates, the newer world would develop from this and not this. So we'll be entering a new world, and if that is more enabled through technological solutions, most of the things are happening through technology, then there'll be huge paradigm shifts across all sectors. And these paradigm shifts will not only across industry sectors, but also across our social habits, our cultural habits, perception of health. Um, Obviously, one thing which you can make out is that the parents of this generation would be more concerned about hygiene. They would be telling their kids to wash their hands more often. So these are the kind of things that'll happen.